Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kovo Build Credit Fast app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Kovo is a credit-building app designed to help users improve their credit score by making small, consistent monthly payments on a digital installment plan. These payments are reported to major credit bureaus, allowing individuals with little or no credit history to build a positive payment record. It's available on both iOS and Android and is used by people who want a low-cost, structured, and beginner-friendly way to start building credit. The app's main feature is its credit builder plan. You sign up for a small loan-like installment agreement and repay it monthly. Kovo reports these on-time payments toward your credit profile. The app also offers access to financial education resources and provides rewards points that users can redeem for gift cards, adding extra value while building credit. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, low monthly cost, and the fact that it reports to major credit bureaus, helping them establish or improve credit without needing a traditional credit card or large loan. The reward system and educational content are also helpful additions for new borrowers learning financial basics. However, there are some drawbacks. The credit building impact can be gradual, and missing payments may negatively affect your credit score. Some users also mention that rewards options are limited and that customer support response times can vary. Additionally, like all credit builder tools, the app requires consistent payment discipline to be effective. In summary, the Kovo app may be worth using if you want an easy, low-commitment way to build credit through small monthly payments while also learning financial skills. However, if you prefer faster credit-building options or don't want to commit to recurring payments, it might not be the best fit for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.